Welcome to our guide on the Color Diffusion painting mode, an advanced painting mode exclusively for Colorize Pro and its add-ons. This feature was specifically designed with Colorize 2D and Colorize HD in mind. Color Diffusion simplifies editing multiple color fields by intelligently managing color relationships. It is crucial for maintaining details like shadows on 2D models, occluded areas on 3D models, and continuous color gradients. Without this feature, these elements might lose clarity when modified separately, affecting the visual unity of your artwork. To get started with color diffusion, first navigate to the Advanced Painting tools. We recommend maximizing these tools by clicking on this button to give them their own window. You can then dock this window anywhere you like, making it much easier to work with. Then select the Color Diffusion mode. For this guide, we will focus on pinpoint diffusion technology, which is currently the most refined diffusion technology we offer. For the diffusion rate, choose the exponential rate. This setting is particularly useful if you plan to apply diffusion across all color fields. Colors less correlated with the one you are editing will be affected exponentially less. This effect increases based on the impact intensity you set. For impact intensity, we recommend starting with a value between 9 to 12. You can leave the rest of the settings at default for now. For more detailed settings adjustments, refer to the documentation. Now you can proceed to paint the regions of interest. For colors to be affected by color diffusion, they must be selected for advanced editing. You can choose a range of colors or select all colors. Let's assume you want to give the greenery of the trees and bushes an autumn look. The best approach is to exclusively select the green colors for advanced editing and then paint the regions of interest. This is known as pinpoint diffusion painting, where the color diffuses even though you are only changing the color of a specific region. Alternatively, you can choose to edit all the colors in the scene. This comprehensive approach means the entire scene will be subject to diffusion. To manage this, increase the diffusion intensity. This setting ensures that colors less similar to the one you're adjusting are affected less significantly. Despite this, all colors will still undergo some degree of change. This can be useful depending on your artistic goals. For example, applying this method might make the scene resemble a sunset, subtly transforming the entire scene with hints of orange as a result of this cumulative diffusion effect.